Ayaw? Ayaw, sa list na ito namin dati. Ito na po sa inyo. Ano po ba ang wishes natin for Hannah? Saan po sa namin dati? Tulog po si Hannah? Okay, so mami, tanong po ako. Ano po ang wishes natin for Hannah? Ayun. Ano sila niyo ako yung wishes ko sila for Hannah? Daddy, meron ako? Okay na po. Ayun. Senator, hindi po kami papayag na wala pa kami wishes for Hannah. Ayun. So Jollibee, mag-wish na kahit tulog si Hannah. Okay, so Jollibee, how many wishes you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, parang apat lang yung daliri mo, Jollibee. O, 8. Dapat wala ang daliri mo. 1, 2, 3, 4 lang yan. Ano yun siya? Ayun! So you have 4 wishes. So first rule is for Hannah. Is for her to grow up and to become a smart and intelligent person. Just like ni Mommy and ni Daddy. Alright, so second rule is for Hannah. Is for her to grow up and to become a strong and happy person. Just like ni Jollibee. At ni Mom. Ni Mom. Alright, third rule is for Hannah. Is for her to grow up. Alright, so first and last wish for Hannah is for her to grow up and to become a jolly and a happy person, just like a Jollibee. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee. May always wishes. So this time, it's 4 na kayo sa tingnan nyo ulit. Ang dami po yung binigay ni Hannah ng giveaway. So Jollibee, tulungan natin si Hannah. Nabigay na kayo yung group ha. Okay, so this time po na, so send nyo na po mga pictures together with Jollibee.